Hello friends, it's Kat again. I'm getting ready to run a bunch of errands. I thought I'd get on here and show you what I'm wearing. I have this adorable Santa Claus sweatshirt blowing bubbles. Pretty cute. I got it from Shein. The sweatshirt's not the greatest material. It's that polyester blend, but it works for the holidays. It's soft. It's cute. I'm wearing my Spanx and my red Temu tennis shoes, and to keep the Christmas spirit going, I'm still wearing my Grinch backpack. Now, I feel like I need to go back to my bags that I normally wear, but this is kind of fun for now, so I'm going to keep it up. But I hope everybody has a great day, and I hope you guys can find the Christmas magic. Have a great day. Bye.